I just wanted to show you guys something, okay? Look, I know that I'm a really messy person, but we can actually clean things. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Say hello. Say hello. I guess they're not listening right now. They might have gotten bored. But yeah, I'm not a failure. That's true. See, I managed to clean all of that up. Yeah, that's my stick, because I don't have a gun. But I am a failure when it comes to time now. Like, I'm late for my appointment. I'm like 5 minutes late though, so that's nowhere near as bad as it usually is. But, yeah, I cleaned out my car because I didn't know. See my pine cones though? Got this fan because I don't have air conditioning. I got this puffy ball. It's really good to squeeze when you're upset. Ugh. Anyway, um, yeah. So we've got to go. But I wanted to shoot a video talking about how I can get tasks accomplished. It just takes me a long, long time. Oh my God, Lee Company. How many videos is this? It's probably the 5th or 6th video. I feel like that company didn't exist before like 3 weeks ago, and now all of a sudden it's everywhere. It's not like those 5G towers.